Alright guys, in this lesson we're going to go over the new feature lead quizzes inside of DropFunnels. So they just added this, it's still in beta mode, but so far it's pretty awesome. And we're actually going to finish the course with you going through a lead quiz here. So I'm going to jump in here, show you what this looks like. So basically this is the lead quiz I created for this course. So once you're done, go ahead and finish it. It's just 4 questions and you'll get access to the marketing automation toolkit and maybe some additional bonuses as well. So maybe I'll give you some funnel templates or something cool like that. Haven't decided yet, but go ahead and take this once you're done. I'm going to drop this down and you can see kind of the layout of this. So right here we have a quiz image. This will be at the top of your quiz, right below the title. So you can have the title shorter, longer. It's kind of up to you. And there's a layout for a full list of questions, or do you want the questions to kind of slide through? So those are the 2 options. The auto scroll is going to automatically scroll down to the next question after you answer it. So that's pretty cool. And right here is just a little description that will be beneath the quiz. You can put whatever you want here. On the questions tab, you're going to be able to add all your questions here, and you can add an image as well as select which type of answer you want. So I like to keep multiple choice answers if possible. They do have a short answer or long answer. So for short answer, I would do this to capture an email or a phone number if you want to. Long answer, if you wanted some feedback for some reason, you could use that field there. Otherwise, multiple choice, you can give them a little drop down to choose from. So I have 4 simple ones here. Did you complete the starter course? If you've gotten this far, the answer is yes. So in there, you can add your multiple choice answers and assign point values to each answer. So pretty cool stuff. And the point values will come into play in the results tab. So if you build a point-based quiz, you can actually send them to different places based on how many points they got. So this could be a screening mechanism to only get you qualified leads to the next step. And if they score below the value you need, you can just say, sorry, at this time it's not a good fit, or whatever it might be. So really cool dynamic stuff you can do. Otherwise, you can send them all to a specific link, or if you're going to put this in a funnel, they can just go straight to the next funnel step. So under settings, you can kind of tell how you want the questions to go. They can be in a specific order, or you can randomize them so people can't kind of cheat the quiz. So that's kind of a cool feature. You can also turn off the auto scroll here. So here's all your stats. You can see everyone who submitted answers. You'll see their name and email here, as well as all their answers if you expand it. So that's awesome. All this quiz information will be available. If you're capturing that long form quiz data, all those paragraphs or whatever information you're looking for feedback will be in here as well. So email confirmation is what's going to go out as soon as they submit their quiz. So this is what I put in here. You've completed the DropFunnels Starter Course. Hello, first name. Thank you for taking the DropFunnels Starter Course. Your course bonuses will be unlocked shortly. You can click here to start a 14-day free trial of DropFunnels and unlock all of my DropFunnels bonuses. So I put a link in here. You can kind of do what you want with this, but it's cool to have that available. And then there's webhooks as well. So if you want to automate some things with Zapier, if you're collecting email, phone number, you want to export your quiz questions to an external CRM or anything like that, you can do that with webhooks. So now that we've created that quiz, we're actually going to go into marketing and add it to our funnel. So there's the checkout. I'm going to hit add new step. And it can be kind of any page here. I'll just do lead generation. And let's see. I'll just do this one, this basic one. So I'm going to name it quiz. Hit drop it in. So that's all done. I'm going to go to edit. And I'm just going to delete everything out of here. I basically just want a blank page. So here's a little trick to actually remove a whole column instead of one element at a time. You can go to edit column and you can move it here. If you click and hold, you can move that. But what I'm going to do is just delete this whole column because I don't want that column at all. And same thing here. I'm just going to remove that. And then I'm going to go down to my module here, forget where they put this at. There it is, quiz. So I'm going to drag that over. And all your quizzes will be here in this drop down. So there's my quiz. You can also attach an opt-in form here. And I'll just hit save and done and publish. So that's what the form looks like. I think it looks awesome. And you can get as deep as you want with these. So these could be a cool part of your business if you really implement this. I'm going to make one more funnel step. And it'll be a thank you page. Actually, what I'm going to do is not do a funnel step. I'm going to redirect them to a different URL. So in my lead quiz here, in my settings, I'm going to go to the link here. And send them right there. So here's my questions. You can see, did you complete the DropFunnels Starter course? I'm going to click yes. Scrolls me down to the next question. Do you think you can build a sales funnel course and blog in DropFunnels? I'm going to select yes. And last question, do you want to unlock your course bonuses? I'm going to select yes. Where should I send your bonuses? Enter email only. I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. And hit submit quiz. So now it redirected me to the marketing automation toolkit, and I can actually get all my bonuses right here. So it's got all my software, my Chrome extensions, free design apps. I can access Link Wizard, and there's an option to sign up for DropFunnels and unlock Chirply. So I'm going to add some additional bonuses as well, but you get the point of how amazing the form can be, especially if you get some dynamic point-based redirection going on. And that'll just completely automate and screen people to the correct place where you want them to go. From the marketing automation toolkit, you guys can jump right back into the Facebook group and go ahead and say you've unlocked your bonuses in the course. Let other people know. If you got any value out of this, I think it should be pretty easy to go ahead and promote this in the future. So hopefully you guys understand the power of DropFunnels. I think you got in at an amazing time. So at the time of filming, it's still just $49 per month for the starter plan. And you get unlimited funnels, unlimited courses, unlimited lead quizzes, unlimited products, unlimited sales, unlimited leads. So everything is unlimited. So I've got some amazing bonuses for you guys when you sign up to DropFunnels. I have more training inside the Facebook group here in the Units tab. So I'm going to show you how to use all these software tools to your advantage and hopefully superpower your growth with your online presence. So with that being said, you guys are all done with the course. Go ahead and fill out the quiz, and I'll see you in the DropFunnels Online Marketing for Entrepreneurs Facebook group.